Good morning from our rooftop in Antigua, Guatemala. Today is a big day, a huge day, a day we've sort of been dreading but sort of been excited for. It's a bit mixed emotions really, but we've got a volcano hike, and if you get lucky the volcano erupts. It's actually a once in a lifetime opportunity. However, today we hike for 5 hours and it's a steep incline for 5 hours, and with altitude on top of that, it makes it very, very, very difficult. So my knee's a bit sore from past surgery, which is shit. I'm not going to tell the group that because I don't want to be that guy. I'm going to film it, I'm going to track our progress, and then hopefully when we get up there, you see an erupting volcano, because that will make our trip. Not like it needs to be made, but oh my god. Follow along. I reckon this is going to be really, really cool to see. What is it? 12 kilos, bro. Holy shit. That's a lot, eh? We're about to start. Let's see what yours is. Oh, yours is heavy as me. Yeah, yours is 10. Oh, 10's a lot. Mine's way lighter than that, I reckon. They make you carry the water. Here we go. To give you context, it's 5 hours today of just straight steep. From what I know anyway, according to the map. So, with altitude and this sort of steep, it's pretty cool in the jungle. I was going to ask Mia how she's feeling, but she won't want that. We're going about 30 minutes. Constant breaks, but mate, these walking sticks have been a saviour. Let's keep moving. Good doggy. Oh, he's so cute. Hey, good boy. Lead the way. Yum. Oh, burrito. Oh my god. That's actually hefty.
It's a brownie apple.
Brownie apple burrito muesli bar. That's so good. Not yours, bro. Alright, this is like mountain goat shit. Take your time. This is the steepest part yet, for sure.
No, this is actual steep.
Yeah.
This is maybe
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. That's steep. How'd the Reeboks go, Matt?
I can talk.
4 hours in, how are we feeling?
Cooked.
You're doing well.
Pretty cooked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm cooked. But yeah, I feel good. I feel accomplished, very accomplished.
Yeah, well, we got 30 minutes to go.
Yeah.
We've done the most steep parts too. This part's cool. We got this. To be fair, we've nearly made it to base camp. That's sick. I'm actually stoked that I can even use the words base camp. That sounds cool.
Sounds like Mount Everest.
Yeah, Mount Everest shit. Did it just erupt?
So it just goes.
Every now and then it just goes, yeah, boom,
That's mad.
pum pum. Yo, we made it. Yo,
let's fucking go.
let's go.
No, open the door, guys, please.
Oh, there's the dorm room.
Well done.
Woohoo! Now good noodles and a volcano eruption. That's beautiful. We've just had our noodles, as you would have seen. Watched an eruption. We've done 4.5 hours of hiking today, and now we got another what? 4. So 8.5 hours of hiking is crazy. Never done anything like that. But we're going on the volcano, 200 meters away from the lava, which should be like mind blowing. If it's not, I'll be disappointed. I'm actually not.
I could do that.
Yeah. Oh. So I was
Bro,
skiing.
getting up this is gonna be
Very loose, eh? That's crazy now. Yeah, the lights are everywhere, eh? Oh my god, there's so many people coming down. Is it dangerous for people up there?
God. Oh my god, look how far
Oh my
down.
gosh!
Holy shit, that was crazy.
What?
Oh my god, that's like oh my god. Yeah, if we were on it, that would get me. Oh my god.
Yeah, if we were on it, that'd be dangerous as.
What the hell?
Jesus. What the fuck? That close? What the fuck? Dangerous for people out there.
Oh wow, it's like flowing. Oh shit.
Wat is het beste filmpje dat ik in mijn leven gemaakt heb? That's
Fuck. Oh my god. Oh wow. Yeah, that's my see
Now it's just for
5 hours just for that fuego. Just to not even see an eruption. It's currently 5:20 AM. We've just summited Acatenango, looking over Fuego, which is the active volcano. And 6 hours ago we walked 5 hours to Fuego and we couldn't see a single thing. So to be honest, we really deserve this sunrise because we are feeling nauseous and smacked by the altitude. 12 hours of hiking in 20 hours of time is crazy. We're just waiting for it to erupt. Wait the sign.
Oh, that's people on. You can see lava.
Yoo!
Matthew.
Yes, Maddie. Oh!
Next time. Hey.
That's not coming out of my nose.
Nah, you're good.
Honestly, I'm so proud of myself and
Yeah,
you
should be.
for doing all three.
So we ticked off the 3 big guns. We've officially done 24 kilometers uphill. We just got our little necklace ceremony to indicate that we had done the Fuego, the extra 7 kilometer hike up the volcano. We didn't see anything, pretty unfortunate, but still a major effort and feel pretty good about ourselves. So nearly back. That was fun.